everybody, Tom here. I'm going to show you something we've been keeping a secret from everybody. We had a hen who went broody. Let me put that down a minute. There she is. There's two more just like this little guy right underneath her. Now let's put her back in here with Mama. There you go. There's Mama. Can we see the other two, Mama? Where are they at? Oh, there's one. Where's the other one? Back underneath here. She's not coming out. There's two of them. There's Mom teaching them how to eat already. Two of the chicks are 2 days old, and one of them is 1 day old. And these are out of our black copper moran, I believe is what she is. She has feathered feet. She has colored, copper colored feathers around her neck. They're definitely not from this mama. She didn't raise any of her own this time. We had one chick that died. One of these is out of another one, but I don't know what kind. We have several different kinds that lay brown eggs. Light brown eggs. I see one light brown shell in the nest box back there. So two of these are out of the copper moran. And I think our rooster is an Americana. Either an Americana or Easter egger. I think that's the same breed, but I'm not sure. There's a little one there's a little one poking his head out around the back. I don't know if it'll come out or not. Mom's not too happy with me. I'm sure you can hear her. I saw it poking its head out there for a little bit. Oh, there it is. There's number 3. I put the heat lamp in here only so that the chicks, if they couldn't get back into Mom, would have a warm place to get to, but I think they're fine now. We had a chicken that was handicapped that I gave to a friend of mine, and he's going to try to raise her up. Well, she's a year old now, but all the other hens, when she was introduced, pecked her really bad before I could get out here and realize it. And her skull cap was actually bare. There was no skin left on her skull. She was beat up pretty bad. Her left eye was blind. So we kept her in the brooder. But now that we have chicks, we had to get her out of here. So I gave her to a friend. If she survives in her new environment, she does. If not, we don't know about it, so it's okay, I guess. Oh, that was cute. The chick just walked through the hole in the milk crate. So we'll leave Mom and the chicks in here for a while. I'm surprised she didn't throw the eggs out yet. That little chick's kind of confused, I think, about how to get into Mom. We had one that died. It was laying behind the nest box. So I'm thinking it didn't know how to get back into Mom and it froze. Not that it didn't get down below freezing, but it just got too cold for it that day. Yeah, this little guy's trying to figure out how to get in there. Now let him go. There he goes. There's Mom. Now you went to the other side. You went the wrong way. There you go. Now get in there. There you go. They're so cute when they're little. So we got 3 babies. 3 out of 6. 4 hatched, 1 died, and 2 eggs just totally disappeared. 100% gone. No shell, no nothing left. My daughter said possibility we might have a snake around here, so I'm gonna purchase some snake traps. All right, that's our babies. I put a shipping blanket up there so that they would stay warmer, so that the air couldn't blow in there as bad. We're not looking for any really extremely hot days or anything. But now that you got a good look at the back side of the door. Here's some of our other hens. The barred rocks are definitely the boss of the coop. I don't see the black copper Moran. She's around here somewhere because I see another egg in her, in the nest box up here. And that's a black astrolorp there. And it's either, oh, what was that? I can't remember what that gray one was. We have one that lays green eggs, and that one there was silver. There you can see our eggs. Oh, that's golf ball. There's 2 more eggs. So I got to keep my eye out for any black snakes. It'd have to be a black snake to swallow something that big, I think. I think it'd be too big for a garter snake. But, what you doing, girl? Huh? You gonna let me touch you? No. You don't like us to touch you, do you? What you doing, huh? I don't see any in the nest boxes in there right now. So it looks like they should all be out. Go out here and see if I can get you a good look at our rooster. He's getting to be a real pain in the butt. He started, since we got rid of the other one, he started attacking me. Because now he's the dominant rooster. I call him Cogburn after Rooster Cogburn. Big John Wayne fan. I don't see the hen with the feathered feet. Oh, there she is. She's underneath. There's our rooster. He's definitely a pretty rooster. He keeps his orneriness up, and he's gonna end up in the yeah, you're gonna end up in the crock pot. I won't tell Jackie that that's the chicken we're eating, though. Just chop you up and freeze you, and she'll never know. All right, that's our chickens.